You're at a crossroads, tough choices, stress, or fear holding you back. Stoic Reign's Stoicism mindset is your compass to conquer doubt and master yourself. Ready to take charge and win life's battles? Let's unlock your path to victory with timeless wisdom. Stoic Reign shows you how to master your mind and conquer life. The Stoicism mindset starts with a truth sharper than steel. Your toughest enemy is inside you. Procrastination, fear of failure, or snapping at stress steal your focus and dim your purpose. Stoic philosophy says these inner foes, doubt, distraction, emotional chaos, are what hold you back. Neuroscience studies show constant multitasking spikes, cortisol, fogging your brain and hurting mental health. The Stoicism mindset hands you the tools to take charge, not by dodging life's fights, but by mastering your mind. Picture Caleb, a construction worker from Ohio. Layoffs and debt crushed him, pushing him to the edge. "I was drowning in worry," he says. Discovering Stoicism for beginners, he built a Stoicism mindset to rebuild his life, landing a better job. Caleb's fight shows anyone can conquer their battles with Stoicism. The Stoicism mindset builds on Stoic philosophy and Musashi's battle-tested wisdom. You control your thoughts, actions, and habits. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Musashi's Book of Five Rings adds, "Today is victory over yourself of yesterday. Every distraction is a skirmish, every fear a chance to sharpen your Stoicism mindset." Seneca said, "We waste much of our life. By choosing purpose, the Stoicism mindset forges clarity." Take Maya, a single mom from Georgia. After a brutal divorce, her anger and burnout nearly broke her. The Stoicism mindset helped her focus on what she could control: her kids, her career. "I found my strength," she says. Her new teaching job proves Stoicism's power for self-improvement. How do you forge a Stoicism mindset to conquer life? Stoic philosophy and Musashi's principles blend into 5 strategies, each with Stoicism exercises to make you unstoppable. First, lock in iron discipline. Musashi's "do nothing that is of no use" and Epictetus' "no man is free who is not master of himself" demand focus. Cut distractions like doom-scrolling X or binge-watching. Do a time audit. Track your day for 3 days, spotting time sinks. Ditch 2, like cutting X to 15 minutes or skipping one Netflix episode. Replace them with a Stoicism exercise. Read 10 pages or jog 20 minutes. Use an app like Todoist to stay on track. Meet Tara, a nurse from Texas. Burnout and social media drained her. With the Stoicism mindset, she slashed distractions, pouring energy into patient care. "I'm back in the game," she says. Her promotion shows Stoicism boosting productivity. Strategic courage is the Stoicism mindset's second edge. Musashi's "accept death every day" freed him from fear, letting him strike decisively. Seneca's Stoic wisdom aligns. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Face fears, job loss, public flops with Musashi's dual-ready clarity. Try premeditatio malorum. Spend 2 minutes each morning picturing a fear like bombing a pitch. Ask, what's the worst case? How do I bounce back? Then act, pitch an idea, or ask for a raise. Reframe failure as training, like Musashi after duels. Jonah, a salesman from Florida, faced crippling fear after a layoff. The Stoicism mindset's visualization pushed him to network relentlessly. Fear stopped running the show, he says. His new career proves Stoicism motivation. Relentless training sharpens the Stoicism mindset. Musashi's "The way is in" training meets Marcus Aurelius. Be one, don't just argue what a good man should be. Every day is a chance to hone your craft. Pick one skill: writing, fitness, coding, and commit to 10 minutes daily. Write 100 words, do 10 push-ups, or code one function. Track with a notebook or habitica. Build grit with a Stoicism exercise. Take a 30-second cold shower daily. Study your field via books or YouTube tutorials. Elise, a counselor from Colorado, battled addiction's aftermath, losing her focus. The Stoicism mindset drove her to journal daily and train as a therapist. I rebuilt my life, she says. Her thriving practice reflects Stoicism productivity, simplicity and self-reliance fortify the Stoicism mindset. Musashi's Dokodo preached, "Do not seek pleasure for its own sake," echoing Seneca's call for a lean life. Clear your space. Donate old clothes, tidy your desk, mute X noise. Be self-reliant. Fix a small problem, learn a skill online, or budget tightly. Say no to pointless tasks. Save 10% of your paycheck. Dodging consumer traps like flashy gadgets. Tara, the nurse, also tackled debt that chained her. With the Stoicism mindset, she simplified her life, paying off loans. "I'm free now," she says. Her Stoicism mindset strengthened relationships and mental health. Emotional resilience seals the Stoicism mindset. Musashi's "do not be saddened by separation" aligns with Epictetus. You are not disturbed by things, but by your opinion of them. When stress hits, pause for 10 seconds, breathe and ask, "Is this worth my peace?" Journal the trigger and reframe it. If criticized, ask, "Is this true?" If not, move on. Meditate 5 minutes daily with calm. List 3 things you're grateful for nightly. Jonah, the salesman, also fought anger after his layoff. The Stoicism mindset's detachment kept him steady. "I don't sweat the small stuff anymore," he says. His calm landed him clients, showing Stoicism's power. The Stoicism mindset, inspired by Musashi's Book of 5 Rings and Dokodo, transforms you. Physically, disciplined habits boost energy. Studies show routines cut cortisol, aiding mental health. Mentally, you swap doubt for clarity, fueling motivation. Emotionally, resilience brings peace, deepening relationships. Spiritually, you live Musashi's "from one thing, know 10,000 things," mastering life with purpose. The Stoicism mindset isn't about dodging battles, it's about winning them. Caleb's job, Maya's teaching, Tara's nursing, Jonah's sales and Elise's counseling show the Stoicism mindset conquering pain for triumph. Ready to wield your Stoicism mindset? These 5 Stoicism exercises, perfect for beginners, sharpen mental health, mindfulness, and productivity. First, focus / when distracted, take 5 slow breaths, picturing clarity. This Stoicism exercise kills anxiety. Second, purpose thrust. Write 1 goal sentence daily. G. Build my career. Read it aloud. This Stoicism daily ritual sparks motivation. Third, courage strike. Picture a fear, e.g., failure, for 1 minute, planning a response. Act daily. This builds grit. Fourth, calm shield. Name rising stress and ask, "What's in my control?" Journal the answer. This Stoicism practice fosters mindfulness. Fifth, gratitude armor. Write 3 things you're grateful for nightly, reframing one setback as growth. This fuels Stoic resilience. This is your battlefield. Will distractions and fears overrun you, or will you master them with the Stoicism mindset? Musashi and the Stoics fought daily, faced fears, and lived with purpose. Your challenge: for 14 days, pick 1 Stoicism exercise and 1 strategy / a distraction, strike a fear, or build a habit. Journal your wins and share with a buddy. Picture yourself in 2 weeks, focused, steady, victorious. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." The Stoicism mindset is your blade for mental health, motivation, and relationships. It's Stoicism for all, forged for conquest. The Stoicism mindset, fueled by Musashi's Book of 5 Rings and Dokodo, is a revolution. Caleb rose from debt, Maya from divorce, Tara from burnout, Jonah from unemployment, and Elise from addiction. Their Stoicism mindset turned pain into power. Now it's your turn. Start small, practice Stoicism daily, lean on Stoic wisdom, and sharpen your Stoicism mindset. Seneca said, "You must change your life, not just your habits." The battle rages. Claim your victory today. Subscribe to fuel your Stoicism mindset with weekly wisdom. Comment with your 14-day The Stoic Mastery Challenge progress. What battle did you win? Let's conquer life together.